about lights. So the brightest, so we have different type of lights. The brightest light we have at Lone Central is this light called Aperture. We used it last year, if you remember. So yeah, you come here, Lane, right? Yes. So this is a very versatile light. It's big. It's very bright. So it basically it comes with a adapter. So a cable goes to adapter. So you see the red to red, and then come to your light, red to red to red. So let's go through that. Actually, so again, this one, like, be mindful of the dots in it. These are called XLR cables, and don't press it hard. Like if you just gently make the connections. Okay, cool. So these lights, because with these lights we use what is called soft domes. So these are the domes. So it's a big piece of thing, and that, like, you just open it. So this is to have a solid setup. I always start with C stands. So this is like kind of probably the most used thing in classic filmmaking. These days, happily, equipment are getting lighter, but in classic cinema, everything is heavy. So you start with, like, loosening the tripods. So that once you find a solid positioning, this is basically a heavy tripod. You can mount almost anything on it, like lights, light cutters, even cameras. Like if you want to do overhead, like kind of filming, this is much more solid than a basic tripod. So make sure you tighten these lower pieces, and make sure you have a sandbag on it. Okay, so I've got it. Now I've got a solid maybe the third one. Yeah. So make sure you have a solid beginning. So position this. So for the lights, that one, I don't need the tip, so take it out. But I will show you. This is again, like, this is very useful. So first of all, you have multiple grips all around it that you can grip things in different angles and different. So what I have used this myself is, like, when I did like a high overhead kind of lighting or camera setup. So when this one, let me, it's a very versatile thing. So like this one goes up, so you can have your, like, kind of anything, light, camera, yeah, on top of somebody or on top of your scene. But again, make sure to secure it. These are heavy. You don't want this to fall on your head, like the lens. Okay. So I set that up because I wanted to mount my lights on it. Okay, there we are, and then screw it and make sure that it's solid. Okay, and then usually we hang this somewhere here. Yeah. This one goes to your power cable. Oh, we've got power here. Okay, and this one goes to your light here in the middle. Okay, and clicks. So make sure you press this little button and take this plastic first. This is like kind of a lens cover. This is the light sensor cover. And don't look at it when I turn it on. So it's a very bright light. It's a very strong light. So now that it doesn't have the soft box on it, you can use it as a hard light. If you see the shadows are hard, and also, but you usually don't use it this way. You usually mount a dome on it, which so basically this one is the only object here that you need a little bit of push, so you have to push these things in the middle. If you help me, yep, basically that's it, all good, and a bit of push here, there we are. So the dome is, with a bit of push to the little things in the middle, it's ready. You can the same way as that piece of plastic, put it inside, and then I need some help here. Thank you. Yes, if you hold it, and then I. Oh, clicked. Yes, thank you. Now I make it tighter. Thank you too. So this one comes with a soft, interesting, this has never been opened. Oh no. Oh yeah, okay. So like you can easily kind of Velcro. This is like a Velcro thing. Velcro like this soft diffuser onto your light. I just do it very loosely now. I don't do it properly. You just spend time and do it properly. And now you get like a nice, strong, soft light. Okay, that's one type of light we've got here. We have this. These lights are very light, guys, and very cheap. Basically, there's like, there's basically just like kind of some lamps in it. So, but it's very useful. It gives you nice soft light. It's not, I think it's like even 1/10 of that. Like it's not too strong, but it's very good light for your like smaller spaces. Where is the other light that we've got? Oh, there. Okay. This is one of the oldest lights we have at Lone Central, and I still like it, and I show you why. This is a basic, this is a set of 3 LED lights, basic LED lights. It's 4. So the reason I like them, let me connect one of them. So they come with tripods, which I think you can use these light stands for them as well. Assemble this. Do you? Yes. And they come with batteries, which is awesome. So they're very useful. If I press this. Okay, for the battery, you just press this in and the battery should easily click. There we are. Yeah. So the battery clicks in. You see, like it's a very, what I like about this light is the set of gels that comes with it, like orange gels or blue gels. So if I want to do tinted lighting, like a drama, so I use multiple of this on it. So, and it has a place to plug this in. So basically, you just like they go here or here. So you see that one clicks in. Again, I can have multiple of this for and it's dimmable. So like you turn it on. So you see that I get like an orange light, and I can dim it to different values. So yes, and you can mount it on here. Oh. Sorry. What happened? Yeah. Anyway, so you mount it on a light stand. Okay, so that's 3 types of lights we have at Lone Central.